Here is a wonderful 2007 Toyota Avalon. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get all the features you've been looking for in this luxurious, full-size Avalon sedan. It delivers a premium feel, smooth, powerful ride, touchscreen multimedia system, active safety package, refined sculpted style, and industry-leading reliability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. Feel the confidence and peace of mind that comes standard with this exquisite Avalon. Come in for a test drive. Our professional staff is eager to give you the best possible service.